Hello, can you talk now?
Yes, what happened?
I have a small problem.
What happened outside?
I cannot find my house key.
Where did you use it last?
I used it this morning.
Did you check your pockets?
Yes, both pockets are empty.
Check your bag too.
I checked my bag already. I am looking on the ground.
Do you see anything?
No, I cannot find it.
Did you visit any shops?
Yes, I bought some bread.
Go back to the shop.
I am walking there now.
Ask the shopkeeper.
I am asking him now.
Did he find your key?
No, he did not.
Oh, that is bad.
Wait, I found something.
What did you find?
My key was in my jacket.
You checked your jacket, right?
No, I forgot about that pocket.
You made me worried for nothing.
I am sorry about that.
Come home before you lose it again.